Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the Kiwi dollar, first of all, we have a really big news event today. We have FOMC interest rate for the dollar. Definitely a very large news event for the dollar pairs and really everything across the board. And I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event starting 30 minutes before the news release. So, definitely make sure you stop in for that. Now, getting to the charts, to me, this really looks like a 1, 2, 3, and this most recent move up is a forward. We're potentially in a wave 5 right now. So, if today at the news or even prior to the news, if we get a bounce and a break of structure, I definitely am going to be going back to longs because the very high time frames are definitely still up. So, if and when it breaks structure, that will definitely turn me back into a buyer for the continuation of the uptrend, which with these 5 waves down seems pretty likely. But it definitely doesn't have to play out like that. It could bounce, make a lower high, go down, eventually taking out this low right here. If it takes out that low right there, that's what's going to turn my weekly time frame from being up to being down, and that's also what's going to make me start looking for more like swing trades to the downside. But for now, I'm definitely keeping an eye on this structure today to see if we can get back into the buying positions. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.